welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ella Paige. I'm your go-to realtor here in Northeast Florida. And today I have a very exciting video for you because we are going to be diving into one of the most sought after communities here in the area called Nocatee. And to make it even better, I am here with Katie from ICI Homes, and we're going to be talking about why Nocatee is so special, why ICI Homes is a top choice for homeowners here in the area, and to take a closer look at some of their stunning floor plans and available lots here in Nocatee.
Hi everyone, it's Katie with ICI Homes, and I'm here with you know her and you love her, Ella.
Oh, you're so sweet.
And we're so thrilled to show you guys all about Nocatee and everything that ICI Homes has to offer. And we can't wait to dive into so many different floor plans that we offer and different lots that we also have.
Nocatee isn't just a place to live, it is a lifestyle. From top-notch schools to world-class amenities, it's truly no wonder why this community consistently ranks as one of the best places to live in the country. And one of the things that makes Nocatee stand out is the variety of home options available, especially those from ICI Homes.
All right, Katie, so if you wouldn't mind telling us just a little bit more about what sets ICI apart as a builder here in Nocatee.
Absolutely. So ICI Homes is Florida's custom home builder. We have been building in Florida for over 40 years. One of the main things that sets us apart from other builders is that we are fully customizable. The flexibility that we offer for buyers to be customizable is incredible. We always want to be very accommodating and make sure that every family gets the house of their dreams. And another thing that sets us apart from other home builders is we do allow our home builders to build pools during construction with Tier 1 pools out here in Nocatee. We are one of the few builders that does have 80-foot home sites remaining, and in our new community reflections, we do have 60-foot home sites that are mainly ponds and preserve.
That sounds incredible, Katie. I can really see why a lot of homeowners choose ICI Homes to build with here in Nocatee. All right, so before we started this video, Katie was showing me around a lot of their models here, and there are some amazing floor plans. So Katie, would you mind taking us through a couple of your most popular floor plans here?
Of course. We have a variety of floor plans ranging from cozy single-story homes to expansive two-story design. One of our most popular models is the Brook, which features 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and over 3,000 square feet of living space. It's perfect for families who need extra room to grow. Another favorite is the Monica, a single-story floor plan with an open layout and tons of natural light.
Wow, these models are so beautiful. And the best part is there are so many options to choose from, not only between each floor plan, but within each floor plan and all the customizations that you guys offer. Now let's talk about the lots available, because I know you guys mentioned that was one thing that set you guys apart in Nocatee, and it can be just as important as the home itself.
Exactly. We have a ton of beautiful home sites that are on ponds, on preserve, and also some excellent oversized lots, which kind of brings us into Coral Ridge. Coral Ridge, again, is our 80-foot home sites, but then also we do have 60-foot home sites in reflections. Plus, Nocatee is designed to maximize the natural beauty of the area. So no matter what lot you choose, you can't go wrong. They're all so beautiful.
That is so true. Honestly, as an agent who helps buyers mainly with new construction, 80-foot lots are really hard to come by, and also Nocatee is one of the most beautiful areas, which is why it is so sought after by a lot of buyers. All right, Katie, so would you mind sharing with us a little bit more about what the process is like with building with ICI Homes, kind of about the inspections, picking options, and what your build times are right now?
Absolutely. So once you have your floor plan and your lot picked out, we'll sit down all together and you can choose different structural options that would best fit your family. Structural changes with us includes adding things like a bay window, different sliding glass doors, making your primary suite even larger, changing your bathroom. After we're done with all structural options, we will get pricing, and then we can go under contract. After we're under contract, you get to go to the fun part, our amazing design center.
It is the best part.
And while you're at our design center, we're kind of in the background going through permitting, submitting plans, making sure everything is going to go perfectly for your build, and kind of touching back on our amazing design center. This is where you're going to choose your flooring, your amazing backsplashes, different tiles. So after the design center and we get all of the permits and plans back, you will get to meet with your designated builder for a pre-construction meeting. A pre-construction meeting means that you and your builder will go through all of the plans together, make sure that we didn't miss anything during permitting, and also that all of your design options are there.
And I honestly love that you guys do that because, as I mentioned, I work with a lot of different builders in the area, and not all builders do pre-construction meetings with the buyers, and I think it's a crucial part to the process. And I also know that you guys always welcome third-party inspections, which I always recommend to my buyers. And so would you also mind touching on what your build times are right now?
So our build times right now are ranging from about 10 to 12 months. We always like to give our buyers kind of that range.
That sounds amazing and definitely sounds like a really smooth process. Now, what about the buyers out there that are not wanting to build from the ground up and are kind of more interested in inventory options? Do you guys have any of those?
We do. So we have inventory homes in every neighborhood that we are currently in Nocatee. So out here in Coral Ridge, we have a Monica spec that is coming. We are so excited about that, and I will always share that information with Ella. And then back in Reflections, we also have some inventory homes that are absolutely amazing. For an example, we have a Costa Mesa coming, and we also have a Brooklyn coming.
Oh, I love the Brooklyn floor plan.
Great floor plan.
Yes. Well, Katie, thank you so much for joining me today and just kind of giving us an overview on ICI and Nocatee and what you guys have to offer. I can definitely see why so many buyers are choosing ICI Homes and Nocatee in general.
It was my pleasure, Ella, and I can't wait to see you and your buyers out here. Again, if you're coming to visit us out here in the beautiful Coral Ridge or Reflections, make sure you bring your wonderful realtor, Ella. We can't wait to see you guys and help you build your dream home.
Oh, you are so sweet. And if you guys have any questions on ICI or moving to St. Johns County in general, please feel free to reach out to me. I will put my contact information on the screen, and Katie and I would love to help you find your dream home here in Nocatee. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.